Guys, Markus here. This is a quick tutorial for SantaHat with an Arduino Nano. Here's the head. I have the Nano here. I try to use heat shrink for all the open wires and so forth, so you can wear it outside. And here's a little booster, which basically takes the power from the battery and then boosts to 5 volt. And powers basically the LED strip. My LED strip here is like an outdoor one. It has rubber stuff, and I put an extra LED here, this little guy, in here. It should be colored, but you can also just take a single one from your strip. Okay, so the instructions, and the bill of material is in the GitHub here. You can find. You may want to consult this other food guide. They want you to add ideally some capacitors on the stub and don't want on the Nano and don't want you connected directly to the live circuit. I didn't do this, so you might want to do that. I just didn't feel comfortable with the big capacitor on my head. I used basically what I did is like I lowered the brightness of the light strips, the NeoPixel strips to fairly low, right? The single one I put 100 and goes to 255. So anyway, so don't put it too high; it will burn your circuits. I used for the batteries, I used a 500 milliamp. And you can get them from Amazon. I use these like they're from like little drones and they're quite cheap. So, and you get a nice charger and stuff with it. Yeah, that's basically it. I think you can find this video in GitHub and YouTube. And if you have questions, let me know. Thank you.